Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Speakly language app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with the Speakly language app, first, download the app from your device's app store. Search for Speakly in the search bar. Once you find the app, tap on the install or get button. After the app downloads, open it by tapping the icon on your device. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on Get Started to proceed. Next, you will need to select your preferred language. Choose the language you want to learn from the list provided. After selecting your language, tap Continue. Now, you will see options for creating an account. You can sign up using your email address or connect through a social media account. If you choose to use your email, enter it and create a password. After filling in your details, tap Sign Up. You may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Speakly. Click on the link in the email to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, return to the app. Log in using your email and the password you created. Now you will be prompted to set your learning goals. Select your desired learning intensity and duration. This will help tailor your learning experience. After setting your goals, tap Next. You may also be asked to complete a short assessment. This helps the app understand your current language level. Answer the questions to the best of your ability. Once completed, tap Finish to wrap up the assessment. You will then be taken to the app's main interface. Explore the different sections like Lessons, Vocabulary, and Practice. Customize your profile by adding a profile picture if you'd like. Now you're all set to start your language learning journey with Speakly. Dive into the lessons and enjoy your experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.